Do you want to know some cool nature facts?
Again? Sure.
Small pebbles have been found in coprolite, which are fossilized feces, which indicates that dinosaurs ate rocks to help digest greens just like modern birds do. And tarantulas have barbed belly hair, which protect them against predators.
That's cool, I guess. Where do you keep getting all these facts from?
Documentaries and stuff. Hoot! This is a very rare specimen indeed. Let me tell you more about it. Straight A's, straight air, straightforward, straight path. I don't cut corners, I make a point to be on time. Hooty hooty hoot hoot!
How is any of that related to dinosaur feces?